What is this? I found it on my potted rose bush today. And this is from Miss Betty, Jonesboro, Arkansas. Do we know what that is?
You know, I looked at that real close and I said, that looks like a dirt dauber's nest, but I've never seen a dirt dauber's nest on a leaf. And you told me that's what it is, mud dauber, right?
It's the potted wasp nest.
Okay, potted wasp. So it is a mud dauber?
Yeah, it's actually related to the mud daubler.
Okay,
The
potted wasp.
Potted wasp.
Okay.
And that's the nest. And of course, you know what's inside of that.
A little baby.
It's a little baby.
Yeah.
Right? And they're actually beneficial. So I wouldn't try to
spiders and caterpillars and things like that.
Caterpillars for sure.
Okay.
Yeah, for sure. But I've seen them every now and then, in some of my ornamental plantings. But yeah, they're very similar to the mud daublers.
Yeah, I've seen them.
You know about mud daublers.
Yeah, I know about mud. I grew up with mud daubers in the barn. Yeah.
Right, and of course it's in the Hymenoptera family. I learned that from you.
That's right, Hymenoptera.
But again, it's a beneficial.
Right.
So I would tell the folks, don't go out there and spray anything for it.
I mean, there's several Hymenopteras that are beneficial.
Yeah, so when she hatches, she's going to take care of your caterpillars for you and some of those other insect pests.
So just leave them alone. Leave them alone.
Leave them alone.
Consider them a little rose ornament. Right?
A rose ornament. It kind of looks like an ornament, though, if you look at it a little bit.
Right.
But just think about how they do that. I mean, they collect water and they collect dirt and put it all together to make that nest.
Got to be some work involved there.
Yeah. All right. So there you have it, Miss Betty. All right. It's the potted wasp nest.
Potted wasp.
There. We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.